Good morning, children. Welcome to the revision class. So, today we'll discuss about the software piracy. What do you mean by software piracy? It is the illegal reproduction and distribution of the software application. Software piracy has a significant impact on the economy. It leads to job losses and revenue losses of the software companies. The different forms of sorry privacies are. It means software piracy is it is a illegal reproduction and distribution of the software applications. So here that software piracy has impact on other economy also. Sometimes leads to job losses, the revenue losses to the seven software companies like this. And then some software piracies are different forms of. First one is end user piracy. All software are licensed. All software are licensed, and if you have any without license software, it means it is a copyright of a particular software. When someone copies software without appropriate license of each copy, it is called a end user piracy. So if you had bought or if you having copies of software that without license, so it is known as end user piracy. Then internet piracy. Unauthorized copies downloaded over the internet falls under the internet piracy. If you downloaded software or software of unauthorized copies, software unauthorized copy means without permission or that copyright of the software, if you download it, so it is a internet piracy. Pre-installed software piracy. When a computer manufacturer takes one copy of a particular software illegal install it on the more than one computer, it performs pre-installed software piracy. It means when a computer manufacturer it takes only one copy of software, and one copy of software means only once you have to install in a computer, and then the same data same setup if you are installing copied and installing to another computer, so it performs a pre-installed software piracy. Then come to the counterfeiting. People make duplicate CDs of original software and sell them at low price. This activity falls under counterfeiting. Means if someone is selling the duplicate CDs or CDs of software, so it is at low price, so it is a counterfeiting. Online auction piracy. This is selling of software that is never authorized or resold by the third party. Some of the limitations of this is no warranty protection, can contain viruses. Online auction piracy means authorized that a software that is never authorized by resale means third party, we are not able to we are not supposed to resell to the third party, and if you selling, so here no warranty protection will be there and can contain viruses also. Then privacy. Privacy is an important aspect of life. It is unethical to infringe the privacy of other people without the consent of the person. Means if you are having any if you break the means if you are not getting permission, not permitted, not allowed to view his or her information, and you means and you want to see, it means it is unethical to infringe the privacy of other people without the consent of the people. It means suppose someone had someone have the someone if someone have personal something personal thing to disclose to uh, share with you, and then without his or her permission that that word that thing you had shared to some another, so it is known as it is the means unethical to disclose his or her matter to another one. So computer come to the computer crime. As in the case of other system and fields, there are also crimes related to computer. Computer crimes result from the deliberate tampering and data and information. It always the deliberate of data deliberate with the data and information and tempered the data. The people who are associated with computer crimes are often called hackers, crackers, virus programmers, breachers, and information warriors. Whatever name may be, they are the people who violate computer security. It means, suppose a hacker is a person who breaks into information, who breaks into a computer system to get illegal access to the information stored there. A hacker may not cause any harm to the system or organization, but hacking is still unethical or illegal. It means a hacker is a person who break the computer system. Who break the computer system means a security system break and then access the information stored there. But a hacker not cause any harm to the system or a organization, but hacking is still illegal and unethical. Then a cracker is a person who breaks into the computer system just like a hacker with the intention to steal password, files or programs for unauthorized use. They may sell the information for some time for money or some time for fun. Crackers use financial damage to an organization. Means it breaks the security and steal break the security and then use all the important files take and then sometimes for money or sometimes for fun they share the information to the other people, and crackers cause financial damages to the organization also. Now, multiple choice question. Fill up a belief and rules stating with what is right and what is wrong is ethic. Copyright means all right reserved. Acknowledging the other for downloading and using the material is called referencing. So next class we'll discuss the computer security and question answers. Thank you.